Hello everybody. Now in chapter probability there are some example of sample space and event I will give in this video. Okay. Already in previous video I have explained you what is called the sample space and what is event. Here by this example it would be clear for you. An random experiment is the tossing a coin. Okay. Tossing a coin once, tossing a coins 2 times simultaneously, so okay, or 3 times simultaneously. These are the experiment. Now when a coin toss, possible outcomes, that is the sample space. Sample space is head and tail if it is one coin, and getting a head, that is event. So event E, that is the head. Okay, it is 1. And if it is 2 coins, so head tail, and it is head tail. By column wise and row wise you have to arrange it. Now multiply it in this way, H. So okay, HT, that is for by TH and TT. Okay, so these 4 are the sample space. And getting one head, that is here it is one head and it here one head. So okay, so getting one head 2 times, that is event is 2. Okay, number of event is 2. Now tossing 3 coins, there already by 2 coins we have got these options. So HH, HT, TH and TT. By third coin we have to take a head and tail. Now by head you multiply all these 4 terms, it will come HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT. And by T, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. Okay, there are 8 sample space. So okay, total 8 sample space. Okay, now getting one head, that is one head in HTT and THT, TTH. There is, okay, so 3 events, that is only one head. Now getting at least 2 heads option, that this one at least, that means it should be also. So 1 2 3, then 4. So okay, so getting at least 2 heads, it is the 4 options, so that is event is 4. Okay, now throwing a die, for there are the 6 options total, so sample space is 6, 1 to 6. And getting an odd number, that is a event. So event E is equal to odd number is 1 3 5, that is the 3 odd numbers. Getting a square number, that is 1 and 4, that is 2 events. Okay, so in this way we can get the events and sample space. Now throwing 2 dice together, now one die there are 6 options, 6 numbers. Another die there are also 1 to 6 number. Now again you have to do in this way, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4. In this way you have to make this full column. Suppose by 6 1, it is 6 2, 6 3, this one, 6 4, this number, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, now the number having 5, at least a number. 2 coins I throw, suppose these 2 coins thrown, that is 6 and it is 1. At the top there is 1 and 6. So how many times 5 at least a number will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now 7 8 9 10 11, not this one, already it has taken. So 11 number in this way and this way you can take. So okay, 11, this event is 11. Now the sum of the number is 7. This corner wise, that is the number is 7. 6 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 5 1 6. The sum of these digits are 7. Okay, in this way different events we can get. Now next topic is the deck of playing cards. Okay, in a playing cards there are 52 cards. These 52 cards, there are 4 groups. These group are called the spade, 13 cards, club, there are 13 cards, heart, okay, and diamonds, there are 13 cards. Okay, so there are 4 groups. These 2 groups, spade and club, they are black color cards. Okay, heart and diamond, they are red color cards. Okay, now these cards, these 13 cards are in this way: 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and remaining 9 are number cards: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the number cards. Okay, same in club also: 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, and 1 ace, and 9 number cards. In this way heart and diamond also. Okay, same arrangement. Now the event, if the ask the black king, probability of black king, there are 2 black king of spade and diamond, sorry, spade and club, so 2 black king out of 52, 2 upon 52 is the probability. Now queen, black queen, it is 2 black queen, or only queen, there are 4 queens, 4 out of 52. Jack, 4 out of 52. Black jack, 2 out of 52. In this way you have to find out. Now face card, this shade is called the, okay, is called the face card. So in spade 3 face card, king, queen and jack are called the face cards. Okay, so in spade there are 3, in club there are 3 face cards, in heart also 3 face cards, and in diamond also 3 face cards. That means there are 12 face cards in a pack of 52 cards. Okay, thank you very much.